Alright, man. Thanks for tuning in to another one of my videos. It's been a while since I posted one. I was going to show you how to speed up an Ezgo gas cart with the Kawasaki engine. There's two different ways that you can do it. But by the first step, the first thing you want to do is press the gas pedal down with the key off. And you want to make sure your throttle, you see when I hit the gas, with my foot, the throttle moves wide open. You want to take it and try to see if it moves any more with your finger, but it won't, which means that you're getting full throttle, which means you're taking off with all your power. But if you was not getting full pedal, then what you want to do is, see this bolt, see that bolt right there? It's a 10 millimeter. You want to take that, loosen that bolt up. Even though mine's adjusted right, I'll show you how to do it. Sorry, y'all, the struggle is real. The struggle is real by yourself, trying to do all this. You watch some other videos and they got it down to 30 seconds, 45 seconds, but don't show you the real struggles of how it is. So I loosened the bolt up now. You see when I hit the throttle here, I'm loosening it some more. All right, you see when I hit the throttle, see how it moves? See how that moves on it? So what you want to do is take this, open this, that's your throttle cable there. Take it, open it wide open, like that. All right, see it stays wide open. Then you want to take your finger and push the throttle shaft wide open. And as you're praying and hoping that nothing moves on you, always take it. There we go. As I'm holding the carburetor flap open, wide open, make sure this is pulled all the way back. Then when you get all the way back, see I'm moving the throttle with my hand. Make sure everything's wide open. And then tighten the bolt back down, 10 millimeter. All right. That's the first step to doing it right, to make sure you get full pedal. So when you take off, you have plenty of power. And as you can see, every time I'm going to open the throttle now, you're getting full pedal. And another way you could do that, take your 10 millimeter wrench and the same spring, the same rod here that you adjusted, back here the 10 millimeter nuts. There's two nuts, one on this side and one on that side of the bracket. Loosen them up and take the cable and pull it. So you want to loosen that one up and tighten the back one up. Now if you do this and the car surges, then you want to go back, readjust your throttle like I told you, with the carburetor open, and then loosen that bolt up. That way you'll get speed, but it won't surge on you. Alright, man. Got any questions, feel free to ask. I'll try to make some more videos. Stay tuned. Hit the subscribe button, y'all. Come on.